Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Sundial Growers, and I have discussed about this stock I think couple of weeks back in the first week of November, and the stock has performed quite well in the short term, but there has been a very sharp spike in terms of volumes in this particular counter. Now there are things which one need to taken care of before taking any trend out of it. So those who have invested or those who want to invest or take any positions know about certain things about the trend. So as you can see here, although the stock has moved quite sharply, but there are some important levels which one must know before taking any trend or trade out of this. So let me simply go through all these levels in a quick manner. Now remember that for any further trend to happen on the upside, the stock must sustain above 0.61. So that's the condition. Okay, those who have already taken position, that's a different thing, but those who want to take further positions on the upside, there are certain criteria which one need to follow. Okay, do not simply jump over a trend and think that I will make some great bucks out of it. Obviously you will in a longer term time frame, but if you have a time constraint, then it will be a problem. So the first condition, the stock must sustain above 0.61, because if it falls below 0.61, then you will have your next support at 0.47, followed by, here we have 0.38, then we have 0.24, and finally the last target or last support at 0.14. Now this is the risk part out of it, risk part which we need to discuss as our first priority. So I think it is clear that for the trend to go up, you need to know certain support and resistance level and certain rules, and in this case 0.61 is the area which one need to look at. Now if this sustains, okay, the thing is, if the level holds and if this 0.61 level sustains, then the next target which one should look at in this particular trend on the upside will be 1.28. So this is what we are considering as our next target, our next big target at 1.28, followed by 1.73, and if it sustain above 1.73, then we will have our next target at $4. Okay, so there are some conditions which one need to look or follow here. So although the short-term trend looks very positive, but in case of any adverse scenarios, or you need to prepare for some adverse scenarios, and for that stop loss is a requirement. Though I will not go beyond 4, but there are possibilities that the stock could move directly towards $13 or $14 on the upside. So there is a case for that as well, but I am not considering the thing, because if it surpass 4, then next big target will probably be $9 or $13 on the upside. But let's see how the trend reacts, and then we will take decisions accordingly. But volatility works in both the ways, so you need to prepare for both sides, either on the upside or on the downside. Although the trend is looking up, but I am telling this thing again, that keep your stop losses handy. Do not simply lose place a loose trend. Don't do that. So loose trade leads to losses most of the times. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.